All right, so we've got the standing pike progression, which is the perfect way to increase flexibility and length of the hamstring across the outer range as well. And it's easy because you can do it anywhere because you only need your body weight. So to start with, we're going to try and get our fingertips to the floor just by bending over. So whilst it's not technically a loaded drill, it becomes loaded because his body weight plus gravity is going to start loading up the posterior chain. So that's the first progression, just allowing yourself to hang down there as long as you can. You can even tuck your neck under and you'll start to get length through your spine, through the cervical spine too. Ideally, we want to try and get palms to floor. However, if we're not flexibly or passively flexible enough, we can then move to the Jefferson curl. However, we can increase the intensity of this stretch by going to one leg. So feet flat on the floor. Anytime you go to one leg, you increase the intensity naturally because you've got the same amount of body weight through one leg. And then we can also increase the intensity of the stretch by lifting the toes up and making it more of a neural stretch. And now it's an outer range stretch as well because it's crossing both the knee joint and the hip joint. So increasing that intensity of the stretch through that way.